Hey, what's going on, guys? This is MC Cuba, and today this is going to be my first
You know, when YouTube first introduced abbreviated sub counts a while back, I didn't really care, as long as you were under 1,000 subscribers, it would still display your sub count accurately. Well, not anymore. So we just hit 1,000 subscribers the other day, and thank you all so much. To celebrate, I'll be doing a giveaway. 2 $15 gift cards to SPEEDCUBESHOP.com. To win the first gift card, just subscribe, follow my Instagram, and leave a comment down below. You can comment anything you want, even if you say,
"Your channel sucks. Video equals bad."
you still have a chance to win. The winner of the second gift card is Antisocial Cuberzz. A month ago, on my Instagram, I asked you guys when you thought I would hit 1,000 subscribers, and the closest guess wins. So congratulations to Antisocial Cuberzz for winning one of the 2 gift cards. Don't worry, even if you don't win, you can still use the discount code MCuberzz to get 5% off at SPEEDCUBESHOP.com. Today, I thought I would pull back the curtain a bit and talk about how I got here. This is by far the biggest video I've ever uploaded to this channel, and I spent a ton of time on this, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. It all started on the 17th of February 2019. This was the day when I decided to make my cubing channel. My first few videos were, well, terrible. I was recording on my iPhone, but back then I had absolutely no idea about lighting and all that kind of stuff, so the video just looked really low quality. I also barely edited my videos and just put a bit of music, some text, and that was it. So anyways, I continuously uploaded videos onto my channel for the next couple of months. Nothing really huge happened except for the fact that 2 of my videos, which were both cube comparisons, were starting to gain some traction. This also inspired me to make some cube comparisons in the future. On this day, I uploaded my VOC 5M review. I knew that after this video, I wouldn't have to prepare for my examinations, especially considering that the exam I was about to take was the most important exam of my entire primary school career. This meant that I would not be able to upload any videos until my examinations were over. This put a stop to my channel, for now. When my exams were over and I was finally able to make videos again, I decided to invest in something extremely important, which would absolutely skyrocket the quality of my videos. A piece of wood. Like seriously, not even a joke. I film my videos on my iPhone XS, which is a great camera for a lot of things, but something phone cameras struggle with a lot is filming against naturally colored wood. The thing is that wood has a lot of red in it, but the camera tries to keep your video neutral. So, to compensate, the phone's AI decreases the warmth of the image, which can make your hand look more blue and weird. You can try to fix it in editing, but you can only pull it back so far. My table is wooden, so my camera quality saw an immediate decline simply because of the background color of my videos. So, between my VOC 5 review and VOC 2M versus WAPO WRM comparison, I bought a white piece of wood and put it on top of my desk, because I didn't want to buy a whole new white desk just for this. You can see right here that I just put it on my table. You can see how big of a difference it made between my VOC 5M and WAPO versus VOC 2M video. For the next couple of months from October 2019 to March 2020, I sort of lost interest in the whole YouTube thing. Not fully, I didn't quit or anything, but I just didn't really feel that drive and passion that I used to. You can see from this graph right here. Look at the bottom of the chart. If there's a triangle, it means that I uploaded 1 video during this period. If there's a number, like 4, that means I uploaded 4 videos in that time. You can see I uploaded fairly frequently, usually once or twice per week. But towards the end of 2019, I only uploaded around once per month. It really didn't excite me as much as before. And over time, I started uploading less and less. On the 10th of April 2020, I uploaded my 2x2 flagship comparison. While to an outsider, this might seem like an ordinary video, perhaps well edited as compared to my other videos. This was the most significant video I ever uploaded to this YouTube channel. This video changed my channel forever. This was the first YouTube video that I edited using my computer. You see, before all of this, I was editing videos on my phone, which lacked efficiency and capabilities. There was only so much I could do editing on a mobile device. But when I started editing on my computer using DaVinci, this truly changed everything. Editing on my computer gave me many more possibilities, with different effects, transitions, color gradings, and so much more. I became really interested in video editing and started to love editing more and more. As I gradually became more acquainted with the video editing software, they were becoming higher and higher quality, and my channel began to grow more and more. It was also around this time when I decided to adopt my slogan, quality cubing content. For the remainder of April, as well as May and June, I uploaded tons and tons of content to my channel. I was loving it. I was getting the excitement I used to in 2019, filming, editing, and uploading. As it was the circuit breaker period in my country, and it was also my school holidays in May, I was able to pump out 2, 3, or even 4 videos each week. It was amazing. Back to the graph, you can see that the number of videos increased drastically, and my channel also started to gain more views and subscribers.
Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some advanced F12 tricks and algorithm, including this case, where the corner is... Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some more advanced F12 tricks and algorithms. Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some more advanced F12 tricks and algorithms. Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some more advanced F12 tricks and algorithms, including this case right here, which can be paired up like this. One of the main series on my channel is advanced F12 tricks and algorithms. I make videos where I show around 4 to 6 algorithms each video. One thing I found really annoying about advanced F12 algorithms videos is that most of the time the tricks that they showed weren't even that advanced, like triple sexy move for this case, or even pairing up this case like so, or even something as simple as this. While these may be helpful for intermediate solvers, I thought it was a bit empty when it came to more advanced F12 tricks for those sub 20, sub 15, or even sub 10. Example solves were great for this, but a lot of people find example solves boring and just want the algorithms. So I decided to start this series where I really tried to avoid the basic algorithms that there are already about 20 videos on, and instead tried to show algorithms like this. This series was also one of the things that really got me back into making videos again. It was also around this time that I got sponsored by SPEEDCUBESHOP.com. This was obviously really exciting for me, as I always bought cubes from this company, and this way I'll be able to post even more reviews and cube comparisons than ever before. Also use discount code MCuberzz for 5% off at SPEEDCUBESHOP.com. Also, for those of you wondering, I had around 584 subscribers when I joined SPEEDCUBESHOP. On the 12th of October 2020, TINGMAN subscribed to my YouTube channel. But him saying that he subscribed to me sent a bunch of his viewers to my channel, wondering why he had subscribed to me. That day, I gained 26 subscribers, an all-time high for my channel. This blew my subscriber count past 750. On the 23rd of October 2020, I uploaded this YouTube video. My entire cube collection in under 60 seconds. This video instantly blew up and got over 3,000 views in under a week. This had never happened to me before, and the video itself got me over 40 subscribers. It currently sits at 7,000 views after 1 month, and after this video, for some reason, my channel started growing rapidly. This graph shows my subscribers gained per day. This right here is when TINGMAN subscribed, you can see the spike, and this is when I dropped my cube collection video. You can see my subscriber growth just started to take off from there. At this time, I also made my second channel, Cuberzz Tricks, to post shorter and more concise, advanced F12 videos, and this channel gained 400 subscribers in just 1 month. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's advanced F12 tricks and algorithms video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
And that takes us right to the present. 1,000 subscribers. It's been an amazing journey with all of you. I really appreciate all of your support on my channel, for subscribing, viewing, liking, commenting, and obviously thank you very much to SPEEDCUBESHOP as well for all the support and sponsoring the giveaway. The year of 2020 is coming to a close. It's been an awesome year for this channel, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.